I bet you didn't know you can ask Dollar Tree to make you a mystery bag. That's exactly what they did for me. I gave them $5 and they made me a mystery bag. So we're going to go through the products together. So let's have a look, shall we? The first item we have is some kind of glassware. We have a Christmas mug. It's literally not even past Halloween yet, and we have a Christmas mug. Okay, I can get behind this. This is pretty cute. Maybe for hot chocolate or something. Not bad. Let's take a look at the next one. We have a harmonica. Let's take a little. I mean, it doesn't say much on the back. Let's. How do you open this? This is very hard to blow into because there's not much room on the edge. So, what do you blow in the other way? Nope. No, that's not it. Let's take a look at the next item. The next item is a pair of Yahoo socks. So, I mean, they actually feel quite nice. What are they made of? 97% polyester and 3% spandex. It's my size, so these feel quite nice. That's okay. I don't mind that. That's pretty good. We have a healthy home cooking made simple cookbook that is very thin. Let's have a look at a recipe real quick. Speedy lentil and bean casserole. This looks like something that someone like me might have made and put online because the imagery is not too appealing. But I might know someone that might get use out of this, so I'll give it to my girlfriend. She'll enjoy it. I mean, that salads and Mediterranean dishes. So this healthy home cooking cookbook might come in handy at some point. And what else we got in here? Pringles socks. Which ones do we prefer? I think I prefer the Pringles ones over the Yahoo ones. Again, officially licensed. 97% polyester, 3% spandex. My size. They feel really nice. That's okay. Is there anything else? Nothing else. And what have we got on this newspaper that they gave us? It's a newspaper of cartoons, actually. Frank and Ernest. And this. So that's all great. Maybe I'll give that a read later. Anyway, for $5, I mean $5.25 or whatever. Not a terrible load of stuff. I mean, these socks are quite nice. Cookbook's cool. The mug is cute. I think the only loser here really is this harmonica. I mean, this side doesn't even work. Sounds like a kazoo. Maybe I just don't know how to use it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and a subscribe would be great. And again, new videos coming out all the time, so I really appreciate that. Thank you very much.